A few simple steps and you'll be able to create visually complex yet unique concepts. Just like this one. This here cost $19, but this tutorial is free. First, create a new layer, select the elliptical marquee tool, or just press M on your keyboard. Hold Shift to make a perfectly round circle. Now, move on to the gradient tool here, or press G. Set the colors from red, yellow to lime green. Make sure to select radial here, this icon. Now play around with the slider until you get something close to our example from the paint course. Make 2 to 8 copies of this layer. Our task now is to make each upper layer slightly bigger than the previous one. Select the second layer by holding Ctrl and clicking the layer with the left mouse button. Go to the gradient tool in the same way. Here, add a nice pinkish hue. Adjust the slider until it looks visually perfect. Next, select the third layer using Ctrl and left click again. And do the same thing but with different colors. Now, go back to layer 1 and for convenience hide the layers above it. Go to filter and select Gaussian blur. Adjust the blur until the edges become soft. Do the same with layer 2 but make it slightly more blurred. And blur layer 3 even more to get closer to our example. If you reduce the blur, you can get a result like mine here. Just move the slider less. Arrange the layers so that the smallest one is on top and the largest is at the bottom, as if we were looking at spinning top from above. A small adjustment and I think it looks great. Now let's go back to layer 4 and simply make it black, adjusting it so it's a small circle. Go to the already familiar filter, Gaussian blur. Wow, I really like how it's turned out. I think I'll leave it like this. Yeah, we can see that in the original image there's a bit of purple glow after the third layer and some orange at the bottom. Let's add a few more touches to layer 5, make it purple and place it in the middle. Use the blur filter again. Now a small tweak to get closer to the original image. And we can play with the blending options or even reduce the opacity. Next, create a new orange circle, apply the Gaussian blur and place it down here, like this. I like it, just like the sample. Add a touch of purple over the black background, then lower the opacity to about 10 to 15%. Don't forget to create folders for the copies. Move the black background with Alt held down. Select everything in our folder, right click and merge layers. Finally, go to filter, noise, add noise. Adjust the settings until you're happy with the result, which in the case should resemble our sample from the paid sources. Apply the effect. Voila! Done great!
Subscribe and like. I see you, man.